Could this simple device be the difference between life and death? Hey there cyclists, thanks for tuning in to Cyclecraft TV. I'm Brendan, the owner of the Cyclecraft Cycling Center located in Parsippany, New Jersey, and all around the world at cyclecraft.com. You know, more and more I have friends and customers telling me that they don't feel safe riding on the road anymore with the increase in aggressive and distracted driving. I personally have noticed that there's more bad driving out there than ever before, and I'm always looking for ways to stack the odds in my favor when I'm out on the road. One of the ways I personally do that is to be as defensive as I can when I'm riding amongst the cars. Now my assumption is that I'm invisible, and in every situation, every driver is likely to make a bad decision when it comes to how they behave in traffic situations. Passing too close, running red lights and stop signs, not yielding when required, and of course speeding. People are just driving too fast. Now one of the things that's really helpful when road riding is having a sense of what's coming up behind you. Now, I have been a huge fan of using a rear view mirror on my bikes, and I've been advocating for them for years. But the mirror is a passive device. It requires constant monitoring and can sometimes even be a distraction. Another issue these days is that many electric cars are pretty darn quiet, and you don't even know they're there until they're right on top of you. But what if there was a way that you could receive an alert when traffic was approaching from behind, like an early warning system that could prepare you for what's coming? Well, that's what this is. It's the Wahoo Trackr Radar, a LiDAR-based device that also acts as a rear tail light. It's an active warning system that lets you know when cars are coming from behind, how many there are, and how fast they're coming. I made this video because after a couple of weeks of use, I'm hooked on this system. I was one of those, oh, my mirror's good enough. Well, I'm here to tell you I was wrong. Let's take a look at this thing and I'll fill you in on all the cool stuff it does. This is not a sponsored video, and I bought this unit with my own money. Here's what's in the box. You get the unit, a versatile mounting system, and a USB charging cord to charge the unit up. Now there are other radar units on the market, but I got this one because I really like the way it looks compared to the others. The features are as follows. You get 164 yards of vehicle detection. You get ride alerts on your compatible handlebar head unit. I use this Wahoo Element Roam. It has memory mode, so the unit remembers the settings you used on your last ride. A brake light function, so when you slow down, the light gets brighter. It also has quick alert. Lights on the computer head flash and give you a distinct audible sound. Now I'm not sure if other brand units work the same way, but I would assume that they do, as the unit uses Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It uses an open communication protocol. And finally, it has battery extender. That keeps the rear light dimmed until cars approaching from the rear are detected. All of these functions are fully adjustable within the Wahoo Element app, so it's really easy to customize your settings. In actual use, I found that the quick alert gave me plenty of warning time, so I was always prepared to evade if necessary. Another nifty feature is that while normal moving traffic makes the alert in orange, it goes red if people are going really fast behind. Once the alert sounds, you also get a little graphical representation on the left or right side of your computer screen that shows you how many and where the cars are behind you. Using the Trackr Radar is super easy. The mount is simple and secure, and it works on a lot of different post configurations. Pairing it with my phone and head unit was very straightforward, and I was up and running very quickly. So look, I get it. Riding on the road can be pretty intimidating these days, but having a tool like this really helps with my defensive riding style. The early alert function works better than I would have imagined, and I would not ride on the road again without it. Yeah, it's a little pricey at $249, but once you use it, you won't regret the spend at all. The Wahoo Trackr Radar is officially dog approved. Now you can pick one of these up from Cyclecraft by using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and comment if you feel the urge. And for crying out loud, keep the rubber side down.